If you're an online course creator, you are going to love what I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all, let's imagine this. Let's say you want that when someone completes a lesson or they complete a course, they get an automated email. So that email could be an upsell to another course or even to ask them to take specific action. Imagine this working behind the scenes without you actually going in and setting up all these automations. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to do that using FluentCRM and LearnDash. So these two plugins that I'm going to be talking about both have discounts. If you buy them using my affiliate links, you get discounts. So the first one, FluentCRM, if you use MAK at checkout, you get 20% off. And with LearnDash, if you use the link that I've posted in the video description below, you will get a discount as well. And these two courses also come with courses that help you get up and running really fast. Okay, that out of the way now, let me show you this scenario. So I've already gone ahead and installed LearnDash, also installed FluentCRM. So just take a look at this. If you wanted to create an automation, if you select LearnDash, which by the way is automatically integrated, you can start an automation sequence based on whether a person enrolls on a course, completes a lesson, completes a topic, enrolls in a group. As you can see, this is really, really powerful. Now, let me show you step by step how you can set this up. So what I'm going to do now is to quickly take you through how to create a course, and then I'm going to show you how to set up this automation. Okay, so back over here, we have FluentCRM. So let me just go back to my dashboard so we can all start in a familiar place. Right, so first things first, let me show you how to create a course. So to create a course, you can just come over here, click on courses, and then over here on the top, click on add new. So as you can see, I've got course A and course B. So give it a title here. So this now becomes course C. Next, I am just going to use my default editor here. Let's add the course description. Over here, let's add our featured image. So I have images here in my library, but if you don't have any, you can just upload them from your computer and that is the same. So here's my image, set featured image, and then I'm going to publish it, hit publish. Now my course is already set up. Next, I can come over here now to the builder and add all my lessons. So I can start here by saying new lesson. This could be lesson 1. Let's add another one. We may need to add a section here. Great. So now we have our section here and our lessons. To add our content onto our lessons, we can just click here on edit. And I'm going to do this in a new tab. I'm going to add my text. If I have a video, I can just add my video in here. Now, once I'm happy with that, I can just click on update. So that is how easy it is to add a course and a lesson onto your courses. Okay, the next step now is to set up our email automation. So like I said, I've already gone ahead and installed FluentCRM. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to click now on FluentCRM. So this is our main dashboard. So to add our automation, we're just going to come over here, click on automations, and let's create a brand new one. So I'm going to click here on create new automation. And we can give this a name. So let's call this course upgrade. Next, we need to choose LearnDash, and we want this automation to start when someone completes a course. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, hit continue. So next, I am going to target the course that I need to add to trigger this automation. So I'm going to come over here, choose course A. I mean, you can choose any course you want. It doesn't really matter. But in my case, I just want to keep things simple. So course A, and then I'm going to hit save changes. Okay, so this is now our canvas where we can start adding all our automation steps. Okay, so what we need to do now is to say, okay, when someone completes this course, let's give them a tag. So we're going to come over here to our actions, and then we're going to choose tag. So I am going to say apply tag, and we're going to say completed course A. Okay, so we have our tag here applied when someone completes this course. So the next step now is to create an email that gives them an offer to course B. So I'm going to click here on this plus button, send custom email. So in my email subject, I'm going to say 30% discount. And then over here in the email subject, we can add our contents. And this could be a link to the sales page of course B. So let's just pretend this is our link here. Open a new tab. Boom. Okay. It's great. Save settings. Right. So as you can see, this sequence here is now taking shape. So someone here completes the course A. We apply the tag, send custom email. So we can actually go in here and give this an internal label. So we could say first offer. So now when we save this, it makes sense now in the whole sequence. Next, we can say, okay, why don't we wait, say 2 days. Save settings here. And then send them another offer email. So I'm going to click here on send custom email. So this is our 30% discount. And then over here, we can add our email text, add our link. Save settings. So let's say these are the 2 emails that you want to send, then pretty much this ends the whole automation process. But as you can see, this is very, very powerful. Now let's go ahead and save this and let me show you how else you can see some stats and also know what is going on your automation. Okay, so now that I'm over here, if you want to activate this, you can just come over here to draft, make sure it's set to live. And then if you wanted to see your stats, you can click here and this will show you all your stats and this will show you exactly what is happening here. So this will show you how many people have opened. If the tag has been applied, it will show here. Now, let me also show you something else that is also cool. So if you click here on view reports, you are going to see that we have this chart report. This will show you exactly what is happening throughout the whole automation. And if you also click here, you also get to see a step report. And then here we see our email analysis. So in our first offer here, we can see how many people have opened it, clicked it, or unsubscribed as a result of you sending that email. So this is pretty cool. And over here, you also get individual reporting. So you can see exactly who the subscriber is and the action they took. So as you can see, this drills into a lot of information, which is very good for your marketing. So I would highly recommend that you apply this to your online course business. This will save you a lot of time and also help you with your marketing, because if you can see what is happening on your website, it makes it easier for you to tweak and make sure that you have a working machine working in the background for you. So this will save you a lot of time. I'm definitely going to be applying this to my online course website, and I will be sharing my results with you. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments box below, and let me know what you think about setting up your online course website this way. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified when I release new videos. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.